So you've tried the gut health stuff, the probiotics, the elimination diets, the morning routines, and you still feel off. I know exactly what that's like. For a long time, I thought I just needed to find the right protocol, the right supplements to take, the perfect morning routine. But what I actually needed was to stop fighting my body and start listening to it. And that is a very different thing. I'm Tara Dawn, a yoga teacher, health coach, and an Ayurvedic counselor. And this is the channel that I wish that I had when I was in the thick of it. Every week, I post videos about gut health and digestion through an Ayurvedic lens, because when the ancient stuff, when you pair it with what we now know about the microbiome and the gut-brain connection, is genuinely magic. I break down why trending wellness advice often backfires, what actually supports your digestive fire, and I also share seasonal recipes that you'll want to make on a Tuesday night. I won't tell you to do anything that I don't actually do, and I will tell you the things that the wellness industry doesn't really want to admit. So if this is your kind of thing, I would genuinely love to have you here. Hit the subscribe button. I post every week, and I promise it's worth your time.